Miss Pinky, Jillian,
Kailangan ko ba ito?
it's up to you, Miss Pinky.
Huwag na lang, dito na lang. Jill, anak, I love you. Ayan, alam mo yan. So, on behalf of your... Ayan, sandali, mag-aayos lang ako. Abot kamay, kasi ang late ko niyang makita. On behalf of your abot kamay na pangarap family, ayan, kami na yung pinakamatagal mong nakasama. First time na kitang nakatrabaho, and I can say, from day one until the very last day, you've always been consistent. You've always been true to yourself. You're uber talented and even more generous as an artist and as a person. So, 1 year na lang, magiging full-fledged adult ka na. Kaya i-enjoy mo tong darating na panahon. Every single day, make the best of it. Enjoy yourself and be true to yourself. And alam mo naman, we all love you. From Richard, Chucky, Melody, Ashley, ayan, Yen, Kazel, Eunice, Anya, John Vic, Rahil, ayan. And syempre hindi namin makakalimutan yung samahan natin. And oh, yeah! Ayan, so yun lang. Please just keep doing what you're doing. Keep as sincere and as honest to yourself as you always have been. And I think that is the best gift that you can share with everyone. We love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Miss Pinky, for those kind words. Syempre, Jillian, we cannot